birds are just out the front yard. My place. Those pink and grey ones are called galahs. And you can see a cockatoo there. So the cockatoos tend to dig up the yard a bit. I guess they're getting the roots of the grasses or weeds or whatever. I think he's eating the seed pods off the weeds. It's spring here and it's a really sunny day, and I've had a number of sunny days recently, and the weeds have just shot up. He's having a good old munch. Where's he gone? Sorry about the shakiness. I haven't got this on the tripod. I've got my elbows leaning on my knees. When I zoom in like this, it tends to be a bit more shaky, because I'm sitting in the nursery. They're not that far away, probably about 12 feet, 14 feet maybe. See, he's getting lost in the weeds over there, they're so long. And these guys, where are they? Here somewhere. I'll zoom back out. I'll find them. They're here somewhere. Oh, there they are. There's one. Oh, there they are. That one's coming back out again. Is he gone? There he is. Well, that yellow you can see on the lawn are weeds. They're daisy weeds. You no sooner mow the lawn and they come back up again. see that tree directly in the middle? Oh, it's not a tree, it's a rose bush. Well, we had some really strong winds and it blew it over. It hasn't come out of the ground because I think it's on a rose ring, and I think that must be set in concrete. That's why it never blew completely over. So it's bent the wind bent the rose ring. Yeah, one day probably going to chop it down and then dig out the rose ring. So I don't think we'll be able to straighten it unless we tie it down. Where's these birdies gone? I'll zoom back into the birdies. One last look. Like I said, they're galahs. The pink and grey are in the parrot family. And so is the white one that was there before. He is a sulphur crested cockatoo. And they're white. Whoa, got another one. Where is he? Is there somewhere? Oh, he's behind the... I kept zooming out to find him. There he is behind the tree. That slopes down there, so it's a bit hard to see them. Yeah, they're all in the parrot family. And the white ones are one of the biggest parrot family birds that I have coming around here. And they have yellow feathers on their head. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. I'll be able to just pick up the yellow feathers on the head. Just there we go. See it? Whoops, sorry. There you can see them now. And they sometimes they come up above their head when they I think sometimes when they squawk. They're very noisy birds. They're very hungry birds too. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed my bird life here. Thanks for watching. Bye.